Welcome the our channel. Today we how to use TD Ameritrade for charting and analysis, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TD Ameritrade website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Research and Ideas tab on the top menu. Hover over this tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Charts from the options provided. You will be directed to the charting interface. Here, you'll see the default chart for a popular stock. To change the stock, enter the ticker symbol in the search bar at the top. Press Enter to load the new chart for the selected stock. Familiarize yourself with the chart's layout and the tools available on the left sidebar. You can customize the chart type by selecting options like line, candlestick, or bar charts. Adjust the time frame by choosing from the drop-down menu located above the chart. Use the Indicators button to add various technical indicators to your analysis. Choose from options like Moving Averages, RSI, or MACD. To view historical data, scroll back on the timeline displayed below the chart. Analyze price movements by using the drawing tools on the left. You can draw trend lines, support and resistance levels, or other patterns. If you want to save your chart setup, click on the Save button in the top corner. Name your chart layout and confirm to ensure it's stored in your account. To access different chart layouts later, return to the Charts section. Once you've completed your analysis, you can create a watch list or execute trades directly from this interface. Close the charting window when you're done, and you'll return to the main research page. Explore additional features by checking out related articles and resources on the TD Ameritrade platform. Remember to regularly review your charts and analyses to stay informed about market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.